far too long. We're going.
Perfect, thank you. Thank you.
Customers leaving us at Nambour, please prepare to do so, ensuring you take your personal belongings with you. And the platform at Nambour will be located on the left side.
Afternoon everyone, in a few minutes time the Tilt train will arrive at Nambour station. Platform at Nambour is going to be on our left hand side in direction of travel. If you've used our check luggage facilities, this luggage will be made available to you at the main exit of the station shortly after we arrive. The stop at Nambour is going to be very brief, so all customers who are travelling further south, please remain on board. If you are leaving us here, take care when stepping from the train, as the platform and carriage heights vary. We hope you've enjoyed your journey with us today. Look forward to seeing you next time we travel. Nambour station next stop, platform on the left.
that on savings. It's just like an alien with an apple. But you watch us back 1 hour and you want it back 10 years. Sure, you're right. Actually, it was just to see that back on the incident. Down here.
Is on our right hand side in direction of travel. If you have used our check luggage facilities, this luggage will be made available to you at the main exit of the station shortly after we arrive. This stop at Landsborough is going to be very brief, so all customers who are travelling further south, please remain on board. Otherwise, if you are leaving us here, take care when stepping from the trainers platform. The carriage trains do vary. Hope you enjoyed your journey and look forward to seeing you next time we travel. Landsborough Station, next stop, platform on the right. Everyone, just an update on our current running time. Leaving Landsborough Station approximately 20 minutes behind schedule. expecting to arrive into Caboolture Station at approximately 2:20 and into Rover Street at approximately 3:10. I'll keep you updated as we progress closer if these times happen to change. Thank you.
This service is now approaching Caboolture Station. Customers leaving us at Caboolture, please prepare to do so, ensuring you take your personal belongings with you, as the platform at Caboolture will be located on the right side.
Good afternoon, everyone. This service is now arriving at Caboolture Station. The platform for Caboolture is on our right-hand side in direction of travel. If you have used our check luggage facilities, your luggage will be made available to you on the platform towards the rear of the train. The Tilt train service will remain on the platform only for a couple of minutes' time. All customers who are travelling further south into Roma Street, please remain on board. Otherwise, if you are leaving us here, take care when stepping from the train as the platform and carriage heights vary. I hope you've enjoyed your journey with us and look forward to seeing you next time we travel. That's Caboolture Station, next stop, platform on the right.
Lady's got a massive collection in her house. And one friend she thought was a cutting of 1 week of a cutting, $4,000 something, $200 something.
Which is going to smoke weed already. Roma Street is just below the thing. Yeah? Saturday, John Saturday. Yeah. He hit the bridge. Yeah, right. I reckon he's got walking. Till he started his own sleep. He's there for years. Ended up finishing up in the prison. It's outside the prison. I think he might have retired.
I know the name well, but I can't remember where he played.
He played for Australia. He played for South.
everyone, and Queensland Rail welcomes customers to Brisbane. Shortly our Tilt train service will be arriving at Roma Street Station, platform number 10. The platform here at Roma Street is going to be on our left-hand side in direction of travel, and as this service terminates here, I ask all customers to please ensure you have your personal belongings and take care when opening up your overhead luggage locker, as your luggage may have moved during the journey. To open the exit doors of this service, please push the button beside the door and take care when stepping in front of the train, as platform and carriage heights vary. This service will be stopping at the Normanby end of the platform, so to exit the station, please walk towards the front of the train. We will find the main exit, lifts and escalators. If you have used our check luggage facilities, your luggage will be found in a couple of different places along the platform. If you joined at Rockhampton this morning, your luggage will be on the platform at the rear of carriage B. If you joined at Gladstone, your luggage will be made available to you at the rear of carriage E on the platform. If you joined at Bundaberg, your luggage will be available at the front of carriage F. If you joined at Maryborough West, your luggage will be at the rear of carriage C. And if you joined at any other station along the journey, your luggage will be on the platform at the rear of carriage F.
Very cool.
Your long distance rail ticket with us permits you to one complimentary journey on our City Train suburban service. This is for today only. However, this does not include the air train service to the domestic or international airports. Tickets for the air train service can be purchased from the ticket office in the subway below platform 10. You'll find a taxi rank and the terminal for long distance bus services located outside the main entrance to platform 10. Also, you'll find the free taxi phone on the right just before you exit. And once again, on behalf of Queensland Rail, we do apologise for the late running of this service and any inconvenience this may have caused. Otherwise, we trust you've enjoyed your journey with us today and hope to see you again on one of our many Queensland Rail travel services. It's Roma Street Station, platform on the left. Track fault in front of us.
Okay.
Have been advised there are track technicians checking the track as we speak. And once these checks have been completed, we'll be back underway. We do apologise for this delay and hope it doesn't inconvenience you any further. I'll keep you updated as I get more information. Thank you.
So is my soul.
Just out of holiday.
I think she's more like that have kids.
Yeah. And they push you off the building.
Yeah, they did that.
So I rang them up, they had the headquarters. They gave
Cinderella's got the they're walking in sometime the next
It
couple
was 310-238-020. Yep.
Yes.
238. Oh, that was good.
No, just tell her to ring you.
It was
Track fault in front of us is taking longer than expected to inspect.
Yes, and what are you going to do about it?
At this stage, I don't have an update of what time or how much longer we're going to be waiting here for the fault to be fixed. I would recommend any customers who are standing up currently to please return to your seats, and I'll give you an update once more information comes to hand.
I think you should bring the water cart down here, boys. 'Cause we're on time. ভালো মানুষ। তুমি কালকে আমি বলছি তুমি আনো আমার বইটা উঠে দিলে আপনার বাক্য হবে যাও হবে
Might have been a bit too far to walk, actually.
আমার নতুন কিন্তু আমি যে এখানে করতে হবে রোমায় এখানকার আশেপাশে
No, we don't. The train's
Doors closing. Please stand clear.